Vicks Dayquil and Nyquil. Product details. Vicks Dayquil Severe Cold and Flu provides max-strength, non-drowsy, daytime relief for your worst cold and flu symptoms. DayQuil Severe relieves headache, fever, sore throat, minor aches and pains, nasal congestion, sinus pressure, and cough. Contains acetaminophen. Vicks NyQuil Cold and Flu delivers powerful nighttime relief for your worst cold and flu symptoms so that you can get the rest you need.
Fight symptoms such as cough, headache, fever, sore throat, minor aches and pains, sneezing, runny nose. Contains acetaminophen.
Use as directed. Keep out of reach of children. Data represents brand, product selections from the 2020 Pharmacy Times survey of pharmacists' OTC recommendations. Max Strength Multi-Symptom Relief, Day or Night. Power through your day with DayQuil Severe. Relieves headache, fever, sore throat, minor aches and pains, chest congestion, nasal congestion, sinus pressure, and cough.
Get fast relief so you can sleep with NyQuil Severe.
Relieves headache, fever, sore throat, minor aches and pains, nasal congestion, sinus pressure, fever, sneezing and runny nose, and cough. Number 1 Pharmacist recommended brands. Indications: cold, cough, fever, flu, headache, nasal congestion. Instructions: take only as directed. See overdose warning. Use dose cup or tablespoon. Do not exceed 4 doses per 24 hours. Adults and children 12 years and over, 30 ml 2 tablespoon every 4 hours. Children 4 to under 12 years, ask a doctor. Children under 4 years, do not use. When using other DayQuil or NyQuil products, carefully read each label to ensure correct dosing. Store at room temperature.